Sharing Sunday Ticket with family. In today's video, you are going to learn how to share NFL Sunday Ticket with family. The process is very quick and easy. First, you need to create a Google Family group. Go to Google Family, sign in and click a Create Family. Follow the steps to add up to 5 family members. Next, make sure your YouTube TV account, including NFL Sunday Ticket, is active under the Family Manager account. Once your family members are added, they will automatically have access to your YouTube TV content as no extra cost to watch. Your family members just need to sign into YouTube TV using their Google account linked to your family group. They will get full access to all channels, live games, and NFL Sunday Ticket features. Important notes: you can share with up to 5 people. Everyone must be in the same country, and this works for both the base plan bundle and the primetime channel version. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.